In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Squad not launching. So first, open Steam, find the game, right click on it, properties, then under launch options, make sure there's nothing written here. And then under installed files, you'll go to browse, and then you'll go to the exe folder for the game, for Squad. Right click on it, properties, compatibility. Then you will enable these three options, click apply and then OK. And then you want to try and check if it works. If it doesn't, click verify integrity of game files. And it will take a few minutes, and after it's done, you can close this down, then close this down. Now before trying to reopen the game again, you want to make sure you exit Steam. And exit any software that you're not using. And then go to Task Manager. So in Task Manager, you want to make sure that you're not running multiple softwares at the same time. If you see like multiple games or softwares running, just right click and then end task. In details, do the same thing. If you see any software you don't use, just right click and then click end process tree. Under startup apps, you can also do the same thing. So what you'll do here is disable these apps so they don't automatically start when you start your computer. And you can do this just by right clicking and clicking disable. And once you do this, you want to go here to device manager and display adapters. Make sure you update to the latest version for your graphics card. So click update driver. So you can try this and see if it works. If it doesn't work, then your last option is just to go back to Steam. And over here under library, you will right click on your game and then manage and then uninstall the game and then reinstall it. And before starting the game again, you obviously want to try restarting your computer, and hopefully this should work.